Hello students, today we are going to start our first chapter of physics of class 12, which is electric field and charges. Uh, all of you know something of this chapter because you have already studied this chapter in class 10. Okay, so we will try to go in brief in the starting. Okay, we will focus on the main topics only. Here, as you can see, the first topic is what? Frictional electricity. So what is frictional electricity? I can give you a better example of that. I think all of you have felt when you rub your hands, your both hands, it gets warm. Why it gets warm? Because of electricity. Because of transfer of electrons from one hand to the other hand. Okay. And all of you know that charge of an electron is how much? It is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And here for the first two chapter we will study about electrostatics, not current electricity. What is electrostatic? Electro means electron, that is electricity, and static means what? To be at rest. So electrostatic is the study of electric charge at rest. And all of you know that how many kind of charges are there, positive and negative. The positive one is because of protons, there is positive ions, and negative one is because of electrons. Okay, some basic information are there, that we know that the flow of electricity is because of flow of electron, because the positive ions remains at a single place only, they remains fixed at their place in the conductor. It is electron only which moves from one place to other place. Okay, suppose in a conductor the transfer of electron is from A to B, then the direction of current will be what? From B to A. That is, the direction of current is always opposite to the direction of flow of electron. Okay, so electricity has many types. The first one is what? Frictional electricity. As all of we know, when we rub two bodies against each other, the charge gets transferred from one body to another body. At the same time, one body becomes positive charge and the next other body becomes negatively charged. The body which lose some electrons will become positive charge, and the body which will gain electron will become what? Negative charge. For example, you can see over here silk and glass. Silk and glass rubbed against each other, then what happens? The glass becomes positive. So if the glass is becoming positive, the silk will become negative by the same amount. Okay, conductor and insulator. All of you know, any substance through which electricity can pass easily, it is known as conductor. It is because of number of free electrons present in that conductor. Okay, and what is insulator? The substance through which electricity cannot pass is known as what? Insulator. Absence of free charge carrier, that is electron. Now the first important topic of this chapter is what? Charging by induction. What is induction? When I will tell you induction, the thing is that the process of charging a body with the help of another body but without touching it. The process or the phenomena of charging a body without touching it but with the help of another body. This is known as what? Charging by induction. Suppose, as you can see in the diagram, there are two conductors A and B. B was initially uncharged and A was positively charged. When we will bring the body A, the conductor A, close to the conductor B, what will happen? As the conductor A is positively charged, it will try to attract all the negative charge and will repel the positive charge. So as you can see in the diagram, the negative charge of the B came just near to the first conductor, and the positive charge, just because of repulsion, moved away from the conductor. Now if the negative charge which is near the conductor A is known as bound charge, because the conductor A will have more effect on these charges because of force of attraction, because of less distance. But the positive charge on the conductor B, which is very far from the conductor A, will have less effect of conductor A and will be known as free charge. Now as you can see, what I have done over here, I have done earthing. Earthing, you know that what it do? sends the extra charge particles inside the earth, because our earth is very good conductor. Okay, now when we will do earthing, the positive charge will go to the earth because they are free charge, okay, on which the conductor A doesn't have that much impact. Okay, but the charges, negative charges on B will remain in the conductor only, it will not be earthed, because it is a bound charge on which the conductor A has more effect and it is attracted by the conductor A. After that, what we are going to do, we will remove that earthing part from there. Then what will happen, what will remain in conductor B? Only negative charges, because all the positive charges has gone to the earth. Then if we will remove it slowly, we will remove what, the conductor A from there also. Then what will remain in conductor B? Only negative charge, and that negative charge will flow through the whole conductor B, and the conductor B, the body B, will become negatively charged. This is how we can charge a conductor negatively or positively with the help of induction. So as you can see here, we tried to charge conductor B negatively. See, we brought a body positively near it. Similarly, if you want to charge a conductor positively, you need to bring a negatively charged body near the conductor. At that time, the negative charge will go to the ground, and the positive charge will remain all over the body B. This is charging by induction. Now the next topic is what? Charging of a two spare oppositely by induction simultaneously. Suppose I am giving you two spares, and I will tell you that charge this two spare oppositely. Means one will be negative charged and the other will be positive charged simultaneously at the same time. Then how you are going to do it? Suppose first you will bring two insulating stand. Okay, why insulating stand, sir? Because if you will not bring the insulating stand, the charge will go from the spare to the earth directly, because earth is also a conductor of electricity. Then you will place in contact, the two spares must be placed in contact with each other. As you can see in the first diagram, the two spares are placed in contact with each other. Okay, when the two spares will be in contact with each other, they will act as a single body system. Okay, because both are conductor, they will act as a single body system. Now we will bring what? We will bring again a positive charge rod near the first conductor, the first spare. It will do what? It will attract all the negative charge to one end, and the positive charge it will repel to the other end. Slowly, in the presence of that first one, we will separate the two spares. We will slowly separate the two spares, so that in the first one there will be only negative charging, and the first one and the later one there will be only positive charge. And after that, in the third step, what we will do, we will slowly remove the first conductor that we brought there, the positive rod, and we will see what, the two spares now become negatively and positively charged simultaneously. This is how we can do the simultaneous charging of two conductors of opposite polarity. One is negative, one positive, one positive, one negative. Okay, now we are having next topic, basic properties of charges. Charges have some basic properties, because for further study we must go through this first. First one is what? Additivity. How we can add charges? We can add it simply by algebraic method, q1 plus q2 plus dot 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 qn, where n is a number of electrons. Okay, number of charges. Number two is what? Quantization of electric charge. All of you have done this topic in class 10. What is quantization of electric charge? That the total amount of charge in a body is an integral multiple of charge of an electron, Ne, where n is what? N is any integer, it may be 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2. Suppose if there is 2 electron, the charge will be how much? Minus 2e, because E is what? E is minus. E is charge of electron, it comes in negative. A third one is what? Conservation of charges. Conservation of charges, how we can tell you? Conservation, it means you know what? that something which can never be created nor be destroyed. Okay, yes, it can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transferred from one body to the another body. It is one conductor to the another conductor. How, sir? The first one is what? Total charge of an isolated system remains constant. What is isolated? Means what? There is no connection with the other things. It remains isolated with itself only. It can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be transferred from one body to the another body. So in the first topic only, when we saw that when if we rub the glass and silk rod with against each other, the glass will become positive charge. Then the rod will become, the silk will become what? Negative charge. That is only. If glass is becoming plus 5e, the silk will become what? Minus 5e. The charge will remain constant. It can be transferred from one body to another body, but the total charge of the system will always remain constant. Okay.